Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify your email address in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. If you are asked to verify your email, you should receive a verification email from Character AI. Check your inbox and spam or junk folder for the email titled something like Verify Your Email Address. In the verification mail, you should find a verification link. Click the link provided on the email. This will confirm your email address and complete the verification process. Once clicked, you should see a confirmation message and your Character AI account will be fully verified. If you haven't received the email, you can try resending the verification email from your account settings. You can also contact Character AI support if you continue having issues with the email verification process. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.